Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to force Windows to use your dedicated GPU for any application, whether it's a game, video editor, or any high-performance software. Let's dive right in. First, right-click anywhere on your desktop, and then click on Display Settings. In the Display Settings window, scroll all the way down and click on Graphics under the Related Settings section. Now we're in the Graphics Performance Preferences section. Click Browse to find and select the application you want to force to use your dedicated GPU. It could be a game, editing software, or anything that needs more power. Once your app is added to the list, click on it and select Options. A new window will pop up. Choose your dedicated GPU. It usually says something like High Performance NVIDIA or High Performance AMD Radeon. Click Save and you're done. Now, Windows will always use your dedicated graphics card for that app instead of the integrated one. Great for better performance and smoother gameplay or rendering, and that's how you force Windows to use your dedicated GPU for any application. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Catch you in the next one.